It is very easy to use ultra-high float to extend the floating time of latex balloons. With ultra-high float, event decor can be prepared ahead of time and balloon bouquets will float for several days. In addition to a bottle of ultra-high float, a reusable pump kit is required. The pump kit contains a plastic pump dispenser, detailed instructions, a plastic extension tube, a set of restriction clips that are used to control the amount of high float dispensed, and a red cap to keep the high float in the pump nozzle from drying and clogging the pump. To get ready to treat a balloon with high float, first place the plastic extension tube on the bottom of the pump. Only add this tube for a 96-ounce bottle. The 24-ounce bottle does not need the extension tube. Next, remove the cap from the bottle of ultra-high float and screw the pump onto the bottle. A pump dispenser must be primed before the first use. Place a cup under the outlet nozzle and depress the pump several times until liquid comes out. Now the pump is primed and ready to use. Once the pump is primed, choose the correct colored restriction clip based on balloon size. A more extensive restriction clip guide is also found in the instruction sheet. For an 11-inch balloon with ultra-high float, choose the orange restriction clip and snap it onto the pump neck. The restriction clip limits how far the pump can be depressed, so the correct amount of high float is dispensed. To treat an 11-inch balloon with high float, slide it up the outlet nozzle as far as it will go. When the pump is depressed, the high float should go into the base of the balloon. Depress the pump plunger as far as it will go. Pinch the balloon as it is removed, cleaning off the pump outlet nozzle and keeping high float out of the neck of the balloon. Keeping high float out of the neck of the balloon will make it easier to handle and tie. Rub for a couple of seconds to spread the high float inside the balloon. While rubbing, hold the opening elevated to allow air to escape and to prevent liquid from entering the neck of the balloon. Now the balloon is ready for inflation. We recommend an extension hose inflator or rotating the helium nozzle downward to reduce splatter and keep the high float out of the balloon neck. Fully inflate the balloon until it is almost pear-shaped. Hand tie the balloon. It should float upright initially. Underinflated balloons will not float upright and may lean to one side. Fully inflated balloons float straight up. To treat a different size balloon, refer to the clip guide and change to the correct restriction clip. Place the red cap on the pump outlet nozzle when the bottle is not in use. One final note. High float is designed to work in balloons that are kept indoors in a climate-controlled location, with the heater or air conditioner running. High float treated balloons that are kept outdoors, in humid environments, or in non-climate controlled locations may not float for extended time.